Have you ever wanted to film YouTube videos, but felt too insecure about the way your voice sounded? As someone who deals with social anxiety, I understand that struggle. But with new tech today, such as AI voice generator, it's very easy to film YouTube videos without ever having to speak and use your actual voice at all. Just go to 11 Labs, type up what you want to say, and press Generate Speech. Make sure to choose a voice you're comfortable with first. Now that you know how to use an AI voice for your video, let's move on to the next part. Finding a trending topic. First, you want to look at what's trending on YouTube, then pick one of the topics and type it in the YouTube search bar. I like to filter to this month or this week. Then I look through the searches for which videos have a large amount of views, but a small amount of followers. Views to followers ratio is very important when figuring out which channel to get your inspiration from. This was a huge key in making my Faceless Secret channel go viral. This channel is very small and has only 2,800 subscribers. They have two major popular videos compared to the small amount of followers they have. This is a gold mine. I would immediately recreate these two viral videos. One has 20,000 views and the other has 40,000 views. By recreate, I don't mean download their video and repost it. I mean I would create my own videos of these two topics using an AI voice generator. Make sure to add tags and keywords and have an interesting thumbnail. It's really that easy to grow a popular celebrity gossip or celebrity drama update channel. And that's why it's a popular niche to grow your small YouTube channel extremely fast. Hope you enjoyed and let me know which other videos you'll like to see.